ब्रॉडकास्टिंग एपिसोड नंबर 7। अब एपिसोड नंबर 7 की शुरुआत हुई लास्ट रिजॉर्ट पे, which is the third highest bungee jumping point in the world. 167 meters की drop. Can you imagine? You're standing on a bridge. वहाँ से you have a drop of 167 meters, and people do it. They pay money and do it. यहाँ पे contestants को करना पड़ा because it's a part of the task. But what about all the other firangs who come here, man? नेपाल में आके जो लोग पैसे देते हैं to jump off a bridge. What is the world coming to? बॉम्बे में आ जाओ यार, वहाँ पे फ्रीली बिल्डिंग के ऊपर से कभी भी जंप कर सकते हैं और पैसे भी नहीं देने पड़ेंगे। I live on the 7th floor. It's 11th फ्लोर की बिल्डिंग है, वहाँ से आप कभी भी जंप कर सकते हैं and free of cost. Okay? Anyway, let's get back to what happened. What happened was, हमारे कपल्स को जंप करना पड़ा as a part of the take-off task. वहाँ पे Arun and Purnima won the task because Arun took the least amount of time to jump. He took only about 15 seconds. और दूसरे कपल्स ने लिया तजेश्वर and समीक्षा ने लिया 37 seconds. Yash and Humayun, who we thought actually performed very well, उन्होंने सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम लिया 39 seconds. So they were delayed for 5 minutes while Arun and Purnima actually went on to the speed breaker. Now I'm telling you, देखने में आपको जैसा भी लगे, it is really scary. नीचे पानी है, there are rocks, you're supported by whatever, जो भी elastic band जो होता है when you're jumping off, but still man, and to stand there in the middle of nowhere at a drop of 167 meters, बहुत डरावना था. I mean, I'm telling you, I have a fear of heights, okay? मुझे वो ब्रिज पे चलने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था because it was so rickety. But these guys went ahead. They did it in the name of love, and they passed with flying colors. Arun and Purnima, they won that task. They went straight to the speed breaker. Speed breaker was also another interesting one. एक बहुत ही animated से बहुत ही अजीब से नेपाली गांव में गए थे. I think it was धनवारी community का एक village था, and it was not a normal village. I mean, huts थे, लोग थे, गांव वाले, but बहुत अजीब से थे. अब एक जगह थी जहाँ पे एक कॉरिडोर था, वहाँ पे कुछ अलग सा ही कुछ फैंसी ड्रेस कॉन्टेस्ट चल रहा था. Every 2 minutes, if you look there, कोई ना कोई अलग होता था, and with different colorful clothes, अजीब से कपड़े, and I saw a woman made of wax. Seriously, that's the only way to explain what I saw. I think अगर age देखा जाए उनके, अगर you count the wrinkles and you see the skin, she must be at least 250 years old, like really. उनका जो face था, it looked like it's made of wax. You know, जो Madame Tussauds में वो wax statues होते हैं, अगर किसी old person का statue देखें तो she was exactly like that. She had deep wrinkles. The skin was completely dehydrated and very really scary to look at. Peace. Channel B, peace. But it was really exciting for them. उनको करना क्या था? उस village में पहुँच के, they had to dress up their boyfriends in a typical colorful Nepali outfit. We had a friend with us called Sharad who was dressed up in the typical Nepali outfit. अगर he was happy with the way they dressed their boyfriends, then they got their clue cards to go to the base camp, which they had to hitchhike for again. अब the first people to complete that task were Arun and Purnima. Okay, now थोड़ा tragedy हुआ था क्योंकि अरुण और पूर्णिमा ने एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाया था तेजा और समीक्षा के साथ कि अगर उनको पार्किंग टिकट का एडवांटेज मिलेगा तो वो यश और हुमायूं को देंगे. बट दे प्लेड अगेंस्ट देम. Arun and Purnima were the first people to complete the take-off challenge. They got the parking ticket and they gave it to Teja and Samiksha, जिनके साथ उन्हें originally वो plan बनाया था. So they double crossed them. थोड़ा politics हुआ. Teja and Samiksha were not very happy about it, but they did well and they reached the base camp. And उसके बाद हम सीधा पहुंचे elimination zone. Now elimination zone इस बार का बहुत अलग था. You know why? Because this is what we call the reboot episode. Now reboot episode में क्या हुआ था कि the old couples जो eliminate हो गए थे, संजय एंड तरु, हेमंत एंड रिनी, निमिष एंड मालविका, they came back. But that was not all. They could not just enter. All the other couples, the 3 couples that we had, our final 3, उनको टेस्ट किया था ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कंपैटिबिलिटी. वी हैड आस्क्ड देम क्वेश्चंस दैट दे हैड टू आंसर सेपरेटली, मगर उनके आंसर्स मैच होने चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल्ड इट हाउ इन ट्यून एम आई विद माई पार्टनर. दैट वाज द नेम ऑफ द टेस्ट. अगर वो टेस्ट and the reason why they played was to stay in the game obviously, and also if they win that then they can keep whichever couple they want out, they can keep them out. उनको बाहर रख सकते थे. तो हुमायूं and यश played to keep संजय and तरु out, but they lost. तो संजय और तरु वापस गेम में आए. अरुण and पूर्णिमा played to keep हेमंत to keep निमिष and मालविका out, and they won actually. अरुण और पूर्णिमा जिनकी हमेशा फाइट चलती रहती थी, दे वर मोर इन ट्यून विद ईच अदर देन कंपेयर टू द अदर कपल्स. इसलिए निमिष और मालविका दे केम ऑल द वे टू नागरकोट, बट कुछ नहीं हुआ. दे हैड टू गो बैक एम्प्टी हैंडेड. एंड तेजा एंड समीक्षा प्लेड टू कीप हेमंत एंड रिनी आउट, बट दे लॉस्ट. सो हेमंत एंड रिनी आर बैक इन द गेम. तो जहां हमारे पास 3 कपल्स थे, अब है हमारे पास 5, लेकिन जीतेगा सिर्फ एक. बनेगा सिर्फ एक परफेक्ट कपल और जीतेगा एक ट्रिप to some of the most romantic destinations around the world. और वो कौन होगा, उसके लिए आपको सारे एपिसोड देखने पड़ेंगे. Till then, this is Karan Singh Grover signing out. I shall see you next time. Exit. There's no exit, man. See ya.